Hello, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am opening up a weekend vlog because we're going to New York. I woke up at like 6 o'clock in the morning and ran to the grocery store real quick to get like some things. So I thought I'd start the vlog now. We have a bunch of running around to do, and then tonight we'll head out to New York City to go see my fam. I miss them. I miss my city. Why are you crying now?
I had this first. Mommy, I had this first.
What is that?
Mommy. Dinosaur and a lizard.
Give him one.
I'm trying to make something. Mommy. Mama.
Yes. You okay? It's too early to cry. Here. The dinosaur? Davian, can you go get their sippy cups upstairs? Behind my door.
Their sippy cups?
Yeah, it's behind my door. Okay. In my room.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. It's raining. So, after an overwhelming after an overwhelming shed some tears morning, finally in the car, about to go get an oil change so we can ride out tonight. I just get so overwhelmed with the kids sometimes because number one, I'm big. I can't move as fast as I want to move, and usually I would like do what I gotta do really quick and be out, but it's taking me so much longer because I could barely, like, just the belly's in the way, the extra weight. I can't walk so fast, and because I cry, my nose is all swollen. But I prayed and I feel much better. Now we're in the car. I'm gonna go get this done real quick so I could come back. I have to do haircuts. I like to clean the house before I leave, so I just have to like clean the bathrooms real quick, put laundry in, pack, and feed them. Okay. Okay. Nothing.
What's that?
Nothing.
Eat.
Huh? I ain't eating nothing.
Pizza.
You want pizza?
Pizza. I want pizza.
Pizza.
What is that, Mama? Have some.
No, you're not getting none of my cookies. Those are mine. Come on, let's go cut your hair. Okay, so I use a plastic bag for like
I sit.
no, Javi's gonna sit first. The little cake thing so the hair can slide off. Because I have to buy one. So we just gonna do it like these.
No more.
He said no more, that's it. Okay. Just for like tutorial reasons, I am using the Wall brand. Okay, I'm using the Wall brand, and I'm using a 1/8 of an inch. And literally, I'm just doing one stroke up to the part. So kind of like in a C motion. Starting from the bottom all the way up, and that's pretty much all I do. I don't fade or anything, just to give them a clean cut because we're doing man buns right now. And yeah, so that's all I do. Now this is the little shape up thing. It's the same brand. I got it for like 20 bucks at Walmart, but it's not the best. I want to get a better one, but it works. And I'm just gonna do the back because I did the front last time, and I want to let it grow out more a little bit. Go sit down, watch the movie. Next. Who is next? Jediah is next? Alright, let's go, Jediah. What is up, guys? Let's see. Okay, so I almost wasn't able to vlog, but we're currently at my sister's house, and we got here really late last night at like 4:30 a.m. My feet were killing me, and yeah, so now we're about to go to the city and go see. What are we gonna go see? Oh, the Statue of Liberty. Oh, and I do have my headphones. Babe, my headphones were in my camera bag. Yeah. Everything is working out today. Thank you, Jesus. But yeah, so I just want to check in with you guys. We just got ready. I had my other memory card was full, so I was trying to, I wanted to empty it out, but I didn't have enough time. But then I found another memory card, so we back, and I'm gonna get some footage today. It's really cloudy today, but it's gonna be a good weekend. So we out here in New York City. We here.
Back to the old stopping grounds.
Yes, in the city. We're about to go to this block party thing. I did not even get to vlog yesterday because we were so tired from the trip. We didn't do anything. We just went to Target and went back home. So we're gonna see what today brings us. And upper body strength.
Se siente diferente. Pero no sé. Se siente diferente. Se siente diferente.
Yeah.
Your response to it, hopefully you get better.
Yeah.
Gotta make no sense.
out how much your home is worth for free at homelight.com today.
Back in Miami.